children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about second class EVS. So children, in the previous class we have already completed our 5 lessons in EVS. So the textbook part, the question answers part, everything we have completed. So today we are going to start our EVS new lesson. So what is the lesson about? The lesson is about my neighborhood. My neighborhood. So before going to the lesson children, first of all of you open your textbooks. Let us see the lesson children here. So the page number, the textbook page number here we can see children 188. So here the lesson is about my neighborhood. So let us see, what do you mean by neighborhood? So here they have given a small question answer type for us. So let us see, get started with the small tick the answer. The first question they have given, that is, Murali wants to buy vegetables. Okay, a small boy Murali, he wants to buy vegetables. He should go to a. So where should he has to go children? So to want to get to buy the vegetables, so where we have to go? They have given 2 options for us. Market or the police station. Oh, where will get the vegetables children? In the police station or in the market? Yes, of course we have to go to market. So all the vegetables, the fruits and all, so everything is available in the market, not in the police station. Okay, yes, the market. Let us see the second question. Lakshmi wants to buy stamps. Lakshmi, a small girl, she wants to buy stamps. So she should go to a. So where she has to go now? If she want to buy the stamps, she has to go to the hospital or the post office. So where should she has to go children? So the stamps are available in hospital or in the post office. Yes, the post office. So what will be there in the hospital? The doctors, the nurse and the treatment will be going on there in the hospital. So if we want to buy the stamp, should we have to go to the hospital or the post office? Yes, the post office we have to go. Isn't it children? Yes, these all about. So here children, they have given a small circle for you before the answers. So the correct answer before, there we can give the small tick mark in the circle, inside the circle. The first one, to buy the vegetables, Murali has to go to the market. Okay. Here you can give the small tick mark. And the second one, so Lakshmi, she wants to buy the stamp. She has to go to the post office, not to the hospital. Okay. Now here we have completed children. Now here we have got an idea. What is neighborhood? Yes. Neighborhood means nothing. So the area. So the area which is around our house, that is called as neighborhood. So where we are living. Suppose all the houses are there, isn't it? Something like a colony type, and some of them in the villages means they used to live in some of colonies and small villages. While as in the cities, they will live in a big apartments and buildings, apartments, towers, multi-storied buildings will be there. So big apartments will be there. So all of them are living there, isn't it? So the area, so where you live, the area which is around your house, all the area. So which is surrounded your house, that area it is called as neighborhood. And the people who lives there, that means beside the, if the house is here in the middle means in front of your house, the beside the house, and beside this side, both the sides will be their houses. And in front of your house will be there another house. And behind the house, there also be some of the houses. All are around, surrounded. All the different people will be living there. So all this area, so which is around your house. So your house is there, somewhere you are living. So the area which is around your house, all those areas is called as neighborhood. Okay children? And the people who lives around your house and who lives in the places who are living in the area which is there. So the remaining people also be living there. So those people are called as neighbors. Those people are called as the neighbors. So All the peoples are living together means so enjoying. So celebrating the festivals together, anything, any small occasion or whatever will be. So all of them we are celebrating together, all of them. Isn't it, children? So like that all these areas. So many will be there. So all the different areas will be together. They used to make a city. So like this, all the different type of areas. This will have some of the names also we used to keep. Yes, this is somewhat this area, and in the Nellore we can see. If you go to town, there we have the different areas. Yes, this is Madras bus stand. This is Atmapur bus stand and bus stand areas. And this is the Jyoti Nagar. This is the India Nagar. This is Chandrababu Nagar colony. So like that we say, this is a Stone House Pet. This is Nawab Pet. This is Santa Pet. And this is Gandhi Bomma Center. Isn't it, children? So there we have the trunk road. So here we have the shopping malls and all, Shubham School, Chandana Brothers. So all the shopping malls we have. So this area, this is that GT road, trunk road area. So like this we used to say the different types of areas. So all together, these are the so many neighborhoods, all together will make a city. So Nellore also it's looking like nowadays now city. It's not a town. This is also looking like city. Isn't it, children? So here we can see the textbook, children. So yes, the area which is around your house, that is called as a neighborhood. So many such neighborhoods together will make a city. So the people who are living in that areas, all of them they are called as together neighbors. Yes, he is my neighbor, they are my neighbors. Yes, before that we are living in that such a Nawapet area, and these people are living beside our house. Yes, they are my neighbors, like that we used to say. Suppose you have changed your houses, you have shifted your house to another area. So we have gone to now another area. Nawapet we left and we came to the Stone House Pet. So it's Santapet. So many we have in Nellore. We can see so many colonies and all areas and all. So we have come to another area. Now they are my neighbors. Like that we used to discuss with our any friends or yes we can when we are going to the town. Yes I remember, where are you? Means yes I am from such area. So I am living in such area. Yes, this is Maria. You are the neighbors. You are living beside the apartment. Yes you are the people who are living beside my house. Like that we used to say. Yes, like that. So the people who are living around our house, around in that neighborhoods, they are called as neighbors. What we say, children? Neighbors. He is my neighbor. He is my neighbor. So like that we used to say. So neighbors will help one another, isn't it? So not the relatives and all, they will come far. So but the first people who will help us, the neighbors. That means the people who are living around our house. So beside the house, beside auntie. So if we want to get yes, mummy used to say. Mummy will say, yes, now the sugar has been completed suddenly. I didn't see. Chintu, please you go and get some sugar from our auntie's house. We used to go run and go. So the house which is beside. So we used to go and ask the neighbors, please auntie, can you please go and borrow the sugar means please auntie, can you give me some 2 spoons of sugar or anything, whatever will be there. So anything. So like that we used to ask first of our neighbors. So the people, they used to help each other. So one another we used to help. The neighbors only will help one another. So we used to celebrate the festivals together, isn't it? Yes. Now most of the neighborhoods will have some places that everyone uses. So in some of the places, in such places only we have most of the places. What are that most of the places there? These places will provide the services to the people. So they used to help the people. So where will be the more people? In such places only some of the places will be there. So they used to provide the services. That means they used to help the people. So how they used to help the people? Let us see now some of the what are the few places. Let us see, children. So let us see, children. Here in the textbook, here we can see the picture we can see now. The neighborhoods, how we'll be looking at. So here one opposite one apartment is there, one big apartment. And this side here we have the one big apartment. In between there we have the road. See, in each and flat, every flat there are some people doing the different things. These are all of them they used to call as, this is called as a neighborhood. and the people who will be living there in the neighborhoods, we used to call them as neighbors. Suppose you are living here in this flat. The remaining all the people we can call it as neighbors. So helping one another, talking to them, each other. So celebrating the festivals all together, all of it. So all the people who are living in those apartments. So here we can see all the people there, some of them washing their clothes or doing the different things. Some of them reading in the newspapers. So here see, so some of the children are there, all of them are there. Now on the roadside here we can see children. So people are there means, so what we used to do, some of the people they used to come and they used to sell the things. See, here we can see the cars and all, they used to keep in the basement. And here we can see the vegetable seller, he will be coming there, selling the vegetables. Some of the people are crossing the roads, children are there, many people are there, some children are playing with the balls, everything. So, here like this, they are called as our neighbors. Now what are the services? The people, what the services they used to provide. The first one here we can see what are the few such places. The such few places, what are those means? The first one here we can see that is the market. Isn't it children? The first one is the market. So comes to the market. So how it is useful to us? Yes, market is very important. So each and every area we can see the markets we used to keep there in the neighborhoods. Because most of the people living in one area and so the needs also will be there. So everybody they need a market because everybody they want to buy. So all of them they are doing the different jobs. So they want that everybody they needs a market. So one market will be there. Compulsory in one area there will be markets. So the people who are very needy people. So everybody will go and buy the things. For example, such as bread, butter, everything, milk, eggs, cool drinks. For the small people, small children, the snacks and all, everything. So the stationery will be there, everything. So like this, small shops will be there, and market also. Vegetables. Everybody will want to eat buy the vegetables and all. Vegetables, fresh fruits, vegetables. So, if we want to buy the fresh fruits and vegetables, where we have to go? Yes, of course we have to search for a market. So, in a market, there will be many different shops. Isn't it children? So, first is that like this shops will be there. But nowadays, that market also has been developed and changed. So, now we no need to call it as a market. Nowadays, we used to call it as a supermarket. Yes, in one building only. So we can find all the things which are very needy for us. So all the things are available in each under in one roof. So under one roof only we can get all these things. So the clothes, the vegetables, the fruits, what are the things we need, each the slippers and all, shoes and all, everything. So all the needy, the provisions, everything. So everything is available under one roof. So it will be looking like this market. So small shops will be there. Different members, different things will be there. So many members they used to keep the shops in and they will be selling the different objects. So here we can see children the picture. See everything. So different shops will be selling the different things. We can buy different things every day. So bread, butter, milk, everything. Nothing is impossible. So everything is available in the markets now. So the supermarkets, the markets also has been changed into supermarkets. And some neighborhoods will have small markets, some of them they will have big. So the big markets we can call it as a supermarket. And the small one we can call it as a markets. So all the things which are very needed for us, everything will be available under one roof. So the first one, so in every area, in every neighborhood, we will have the markets. The first one that is the needy, that is markets. So market is compulsory. Now comes to the another one. What is that? Let us see. That is the post office. Let us see about the post office children. So children, let us learn about the another one that is providing service to us. That is post office. So have you ever gone to the post office children? Have you ever seen the post office? Yes, in each and every area will have a post office. So in villages also we used to have, and in the towns and cities also we used to have the post office. So in the post office, who will be there in the post office? Yes, the postman. So what are the things will get available here? What are the things we have available, children? The stamps, envelopes, letters. So all these will be there. So most of the neighborhoods will have a post office now. So we used to send and receive the letters through the post office. Through the post office. Letters. So letters we have to. So post box. Have you seen the red color? One post box. Yes, the post letter box will be there. We used to keep the letters inside. We used to write the letter and we can write a proper address and we can keep in the post box. Means the postman will come and take all the letters and they used to send the correct to the correct address. So like that they used to go. So who will do this all? The postman. The mediator who is there means the postman will be there. So in the early days, no, we will have a postman means they used to wear a uniform. They used to have a uniform also and they used to go on a bicycle. So one bicycle will be there, uniform will be there, and he used to carry a bag and there are many letters in his bag. And he used to say, post, like this he used to say, and they used to go. So children, can you see nowadays now the postman? No, because the technology, the science and technology and so here now everything is developed now. So according to this, nowadays now here we don't have the technology. Now coming to this technology here now, no postman will be there. So nobody is writing the letters. Everything using the, yes, cell phones, mobiles, smartphones, everybody is using this one. So internet is there now. So in the smartphone only we used to get all this, mails and all. So there are no letters and all. Everybody is sending through the mails. So but in the early days we used to write the letters only. The people they used to write the letters. So the postman only the main. So he used to work. He is the most important. Everything, the people who will help us means. So the postman also is very important. So through the everything is will be going on because of the post office only. We can send the letters, receive the letters, and the parcels, the money orders, the telegrams and all, everything. So the so stamps will be there, envelopes will be there, postcards will be there, small cards will be there. Just a card, postcard will be there. Any important message means postcard. They used to send to the telegram, the postcard, and the parcels, whatever any parcels now means like that. Money orders also want to change means. Nowadays, all this has been changed completely. Now we are not at all using all these because the technology has developed now. So everybody using the cell phones, mobiles, smartphones. So money also it's going through the online. Everything is online. So they used to say Google Pay or anything. So like that they used to say. Send the money also. So no money orders. And the parcels and all we used to get means nowadays now the most Amazons, the Flipkart, every Snapdeal, all these are the coming now, the couriers. So everybody is sending through the couriers. So only the courier facility is going on now. So now nowadays we can't able to see all this. Letters means almost all of them. This nowadays children nobody knows the letter. What do you mean by letter and how to write the letter also. So because nobody using the letters nowadays. What do you mean by the envelope means? That doesn't know. What do you mean by the postcard means? Nobody knows. So all has been changed. So because the technology has developed now, science has developed, more inventions has done now. So nobody has done. So before the early days, our mothers or our grandmothers, they used to do all this. So that is also a very important service. So here we can see we used to post our letters in a letter box and the postman will collect the letters and he will send. He used to take them and he will give the correct address. From there the letters are sent to the different places. So the different areas, the postmans will be their neighbor and they used to give the letters. And we buy the stamps, envelopes and postcards from the post office. And we can also send the parcels, money orders from the post office. Here we can see children, the post office will be looking like this and the postman. So here he is wearing only the civil dress. But before, postman means like policeman only. Policeman also used to wear the uniform. So in the same way, the postman also used to wear a uniform. He used to keep the cap Nowadays everybody know postman we can see. No need, there is no use, there is no need of postman at all because everything is on the phone. Yes, if we want to do phone to the America also we can sit and we can call you. So we can call auntie. So no need to write the letter. So it will take much time. But now everything is same. Within seconds we can make a call. So there is no use of letters. There is no postman at all. So nowadays nobody is wearing the postman uniform and nobody is coming on bicycle. Nowadays everything on bike, motorbikes. So no uniform at all, nothing. So he will be not at all looking like a postman. So here this is the use of a post office. So post office we can send and receive the letters to the postman, and the stamps, envelopes, the postcards, the parcels, money orders, everything it will be going on through the post office. These are the things we can find in the post office. So this is one of the most important one. The first one market and the second one post office. Let us see the another one that is most important, children, that is the bank. Let us see about the bank. So children, let us learn about the bank, the another one. So in each and every area, in every neighborhood, we have the bank. Bank is must and should, isn't it? Bank means what, children? What do you mean by the bank? Have you ever heard about the bank? Yes, all of them we have heard about the banks. So in each and every area we have the bank. Andhra Bank, State Bank, Syndicate Bank, Union Bank, Reserve Bank. So every area, different Punjab Bank. So every area in every neighborhood. So we can find out the bank. So what is the use of bank? Because we used to deposit the money in the bank. Suppose the huge amount of money we can't keep in our house. It's not at all safe. So anybody thieves will come and take this. So we are feeling very unsafe. So where we used to keep the money? So we can keep the money in we can deposit the money in the bank. And whenever we want, we can withdraw also. We can take out the money from the bank. So they used to do. And most of the people, do you know, children? Jewelry also we can keep in the bank. We can in the lockers. So the bank lockers will be there. We can keep in the lockers. The jewelry, the money, everything. So it will be very safe in the keeping the bank. So we can deposit the money in the bank and we can withdraw the money in the bank from the bank. So jewelry and all also we can keep. And if we go to the bank, there will be the machine, ATM. So have you heard about the ATM, children? ATM cards will be there, small cards. So there, this is the ATM card, What do you mean by ATM card? So ATM card, if we keep the machine, so it's the money we can withdraw. So this is the another way how we can withdraw the amount. So we can take the money also from the bank to take out the money. So this card we used to use. ATM means, A means automated, T means teller, M means machine. Automated teller machine. So in the short form we used to say it as we can call it as ATM. So different banks will be there, no children? HDFC Bank, Syndicate Bank, Union Bank, State Bank, Andhra Bank. Most of the banks will be there. So here we can see the picture of a bank. So most of the neighborhoods we can keep our money and jewelry, everything in the bank to keep in the safe. So these will have many neighborhoods will have ATMs also. So ATM stands for automated teller machine. So this is the automatic, and ATM is an automatic machine of a bank. So this is an automatic machine, working in the automatic machine. Now through which people can take out the money. So to withdraw the money, so always inside to the bank we no need to go. So if the ATM card is available with us means we can withdraw the money through the machine. So this is a machine. So we have a password. If you give the password means how much money, whatever the money amount you want, so that we have to type and it will come out there. So we can take out the money from the ATMs. So this is also nowadays we have a new technology. So all this so before means we have to go and withdraw the bank amount from the bank. So nowadays if we don't, the bank is not available means also, then also we can withdraw the amount. How means? Because of the machines, this ATMs. So these ATMs they no need. So if the bank is closed also, then also we can get the amount through the ATM. So this is the useful machine, automatic teller machine, automatic machine. That is the automatic machine through which we can take out the money. Okay, children. So here we have completed the 3 topics. The first one, market. Second one, the post office. And the third one, that is the bank. Let us see the fourth, another one. What is the most important one? Yes, that is nothing but about the hospital. So let us learn about the hospital now. So children, let us learn about the hospital. So every area, every neighborhood will have a hospital, because all of them are not healthy. So some of the people will get the disease. So why do we go to the hospital? So why the hospital is need? Yes. So hospital is the most important one, and it is very much needy. So isn't it? So the people who are sick, who are injured, so those people they used to go to the hospitals or clinics. So hospital means it's a very big, huge building. So some of the hospitals are very nowadays the hospitals are very huge buildings. And some of the areas we have small clinics also. Small, not a big one. So somewhat small only. So 1 or 2 rooms here we have some clinics. So some of them they used to maintain the clinics, and some of them they used to have a big hospitals. So who will have in the hospitals? Yes, the doctors and nurses are always available for us. So the people who are very sick or injured, we used to go to the hospital and will get the treatment from the hospitals. And doctors will use us, what they will use us? Chocolates or biscuits they use us? No. Yes, doctors and nurses they used to use us the medicines. So one big prescription will be there, whatever the disease we have. So they used to cure us, and they used to give the one big bulk of medicines. So more medicines they used to give, not the candies and all. Okay children, so here we can see one big huge building will be there, big hospitals. So in our area we have the Apollo Hospital, Narayana Hospital, so very big hospitals. So very big hospitals here, Simupuri Hospital. So the doctors will tell us what the medicines we have to take, how we have to eat. So these are the medicines. So everything will be take care of us by the doctors and the nurses only. The nurses will look after the people who will stay in the hospital. Some of the people they need a more rest, means they have to get the treatment, more treatment means some of them they used to stay in the hospital itself. So in the hospital who used to take care of them? There are doctors and nurses. And some of the neighborhoods will have a dispensary. Do you know children what do you mean by dispensaries? So this is a dispensary means the clinics and dispensaries means are smaller than a hospital. Hospital means it's a very huge buildings we have, and the clinics and the dispensaries means we have a smaller one. They are the small ones. So we can see all these dispensaries and clinics in the villages sites we can see. In the towns and cities means we have most of the hospitals only. They used to keep our hospitals. So very big hospitals want to get means we have to go to the towns. Any small injuries are there, anything first aid if you need means, so we can go to the clinics or the dispensaries, we can go there. So who will be there? There also will be there doctors. Some, he is also an RMD doctor will be there, a house surgeon will be there. Anybody surgeons or they will be trained. So they are the trainees. So they are also will be taking the trainees, and they will be there in the clinics we can see. And the medicines also they used to do. The chemist shop you can see, the medical shops we have, the drug shop, the chemicals. So the chemist one, so he is used to keep the medicines, the chemist shop. So they have the medical shop also, and in the medical shop you can see the medicines. They can buy the medicines from the chemist shop. So if you want any drugs or anything, I mean drugs means here the medicines. So whatever if you want the medicines means we can go to the medical shop. So the medical shop also we have to go, not the everybody they won't keep the medicines, we can't take. So from the qualified who will be there. So the person who is very know about the chemistry. So the person, that person only, from that person only we have to take the medicines. So not from the whoever will be there available, that like that we can't take. So we have to take the medicines also carefully. So most of the neighborhoods will have a chemist shops and we can buy the medicines from there. So the big hospitals, the clinics, the dispensaries. So the chemist shop also we can go and buy the medicines. The medicines also we can buy from the chemist shop, the medical shop. So here we have completed about the hospital. Now let us learn about the another one, that is another topic. Here we have the fire station. So let us learn about, children, what is the use of fire station. So children, have you ever seen a fire station? So there are many fire stations will be there in most of the neighborhoods. So where there will be a big fire, suppose suddenly a big fire, any short circuit or anything happens and a big fire started in the apartments or means, then it is very much dangerous. So in that time, who will be there for us to save our life? Yes, the firefighters and the fire engines. So here we can see, children, we can call up the fire station, means immediately they will come and save our lives. So a fire station will have the fire engines and firefighters. So here we can see the picture of a fire engine, children. So one big bell ringing and it will be coming there, one big fire engine, and the people who will there, one big hose will be there, ladder will be there. They used to keep and they will get a water. They will put out the fire with the water. So one big hose also will be there. Two people will be catching that and they used to put out the fire. So those people you can call them as a firefighters. So in the fire engine, you can call the fire if anything, one big accident happened and a fire has been started, means we can call it the fire engine. So the firefighters will put out the fire and they will save our lives. Have you ever met a firefighter? So this we might have not done. So yes, but that is also very good, children. You can talk to them once, means how they used to feel. So the firefighters also, they are the very brave people. So they used to save our lives. So the people who are the firefighters, isn't it, children? So the fire station, so they will be, if we call the fire station, means the fire engine will be coming. So in the fire engine, so the firefighters will come and put out the fire and they will save our lives. Okay, children. So now the another most important thing is the police station. About the police station. So who will be there in the police station? Yes, the policemen. The policemen and the policewomen also there, isn't it? Not only the men, nowadays the women also there. So the policewomen also are working now. So the police, they used to guard our neighborhood and they will keep us safe. The neighborhood, they used to keep us safe, and if anything, things or anything lost means, so we lost any goods means, they used to if any thieves, they will come and collect our things, means where we will go now? Next, we have to go to the post office and we can have to give the complaint. So and so my things are lost, means they will find out. They will catch the thieves and they will give the whatever things we have lost. So they used to give them back. Okay, children. So the police, the people will be guarding they used to guard our neighborhood safe and will keep us safe. And they also find out the lost goods. And some of the policemen and the policewomen also working. So you have children, we can call them as a traffic police. So wearing a different uniform, white uniform will be there. The policemen will be wearing the different uniform, and the people who are there on the road, the traffic police. We have seen the traffic police. So if we go to town, we have observed the traffic police. Yes, they used to say stop and go like that. They used to engage on the road. So they used to wear the different type of uniform. So the white shirt they used to wear. So the traffic police, they are also very much they used to help the people. So not to occur any accidents at all. So these people also we used to help us. So the policemen and the traffic policemen also. So both of them they used to help, but their duties are different and their duties are different. So finally, both of them they used to help us and they used to keep our neighborhood safe. So night times also the patrolling will be doing there, the policemen and the traffic policemen also they used to protect not to occur any accidents. So the policemen and the police. So they have both the different uniforms also, wearing the different uniforms. They are also called the traffic police, and we have to obey the traffic police not to occur any accidents. So we have to obey them. They used to say stop means yes, we have to stop our vehicles, and all of them also we have to obey the traffic rules to go to not to occur any accident, not to cause any harmful accidents. Means we have to follow the traffic rules. So many people are providing services to us. So all these people, where will be they used to live? They used to give the provider services for us means in our neighborhoods, isn't it, children? Hospitals, the first one markets. Wow, whatever we have learned now: market, post office, hospitals, banks, and the fire station, police station. So all these people will be providing services to us. So children, we have completed our lesson now. So let us see some recap. Some of the important points here we can remember, children. So here they are saying keep your neighborhood clean. So we have to keep our neighborhood clean, and do not throw the garbage in the lanes. So in the lanes you should not throw. So wherever we have the garbage and all, we have to throw in the dustbin. Grow trees to keep your neighborhood green and safe. To avoid more pollution. So to avoid all this traffic and also they are leaving the more pollution for us. So to avoid the pollution, we have to grow the more trees in our neighborhood. So children, here we have a recap of the lesson. The area around in its house is called as neighborhood. The people who are living in a neighborhood, we used to call them as neighbors. All of them, they are called as neighbors. Yes, they are our neighbors. They are our neighbors like the frequency. Now markets, post office, bank, hospitals, fire stations, police stations, they used to provide services to the people, and they will help us in many ways, isn't it? If the market is not there, we can't buy the fruits and vegetables. No bank means we can't keep our money safe. No hospital means if anything happened to us, if we are not feeling well, that is very much problem. Health problems means there must be a hospital. Market must be there. So if we want to buy anything, vegetables or whatever we do. So the shopping malls will be there, markets will be there, supermarkets will be there, and the bank, fire station. Suddenly any fire accident occurred means fire station is available. If anything missed means, anything lost means, the policemen they used to keep under, they used to find out the lost goods also. So all these people, so everything will be there in our neighborhood to give the best standard. They used to provide the services and they will help the people, isn't it, children? So hope you understood, all of you children, the lesson. So today we have completed our lesson, My Neighborhood. Hope you understood, all of you, the lesson, children. Read the lesson, practice the lesson, children, all of you. Underline the hard words, practice the hard words, all of you.